Comrades, we are here because we have to take a stance against the thieving. And not going pretty tough and call it corruption, because some people don't know what corruption is. Want to know what thieving is. So when they take a drill what costs 3 million and sell it for 31 million, that is thieving. And how does that thieving affect you? When you go to the hospital or your relative go and you can't get a bed and you have to sit down on a chair, that is where that money gone. And when you go into the hospital and you need to do a CT scan, you need to do an MRI, you have to find the money out of your pocket to pay for it. Even the ambulance that need to take you to go to the place, you have to pay for it. That is what thieving does. When they take the fertilizer that was donated by the government of Morocco to be given to every single farmer, and then take it, thief it, and sell it, it means the farmers don't have fertilizer to grow the crops, to put on your food on your table. So after 9 years, we have to take a stand. We have to vote for a government that will put your interest first. We have to vote for a government that will invest the resources of the country to benefit you. And as our leader said, we're going to put people first. So yesterday an article came out which showed that a particular school, 70% of those in first one couldn't read already. Now can you imagine that? After almost 10 years in office, this government presides over an education system where 70% of our children cannot read and write in first one. And that is what we have said. We are going to invest in education. We're going to put the money in basic and primary school so that your children will get a solid education. We're going to put the money in a program to ensure that every child who is in need gets at least 1 meal per day when they go to school, so that your parents don't have no excuse and say them on a bus lunch money to send them. We're going to put in place a transportation system so that even if you don't have the bus fare, you get a subsidy to send your child to school.